This is a 2020 Porsche Panamera Turbo S. It has 677 horsepower, which made this Turbo S Panamera a super quick car with the ability to have your family on the back, because yes, this is a Panamera, that means 4 doors. It's very practical because it is a hatchback. But if you want more practicality, you can get the Sport Turismo, which is going to be the station wagon version of the Panamera. But I am pretty sure then this will be more than enough, because you're getting all the luxury, you're getting practicality, and you're getting a massive acceleration. But not only that, this is a e-hybrid, which means then it has a hybrid component that helps to deliver a better fuel economy, to save some fuel and save some money for your pocket as well. So today we're gonna look at it and see what you can get when you buy a Turbo S, a Panamera Turbo S. We're gonna start this walk through the car with the sticker price. The sticker price of this Panamera Turbo S is $224,000. This Panamera Turbo S is not just a conventional car, it is a car that has so much horsepower, hybrid, to help, you know, with fuel economy as well. And we have 4 seats, that means then your family can be on the back and you have the cargo space, which makes this car, we can say, better than a 911. If you have a family and you own a 911, you cannot carry your family with a 911, and pretty much you're gonna pay the same price if you buy maybe a Turbo S 911. But buying a sedan Turbo S Panamera, you get the excitement of the Turbo S 911, but you get the rear seats. That means then you can take the whole family to the track if you wish to. So there are a couple options, because the standard price of a Panamera is $187,000, which means then this car has around $35,000 in options. The thing I like about this car is that it has a wing on the back. This is not just a regular wing, this is a active wing, which means that it will open or close depending on the condition, depending on how the driving conditions are, or if you wish to open it or to keep it closed, you can do it as well with a press of a button inside the cab, inside the cockpit. So in this case, it is in this position because, you know, why not, right? You have a wing, you gotta look cool, and yes, it does look cool. Also, you're gonna have the quad exhaust tips, massive. You can see they're super big and they're real, they're not fake, they're super real. You know, some of the cars are faking all this, but in this case it is real. Knowing that this is a luxury car, they're real, something to keep in mind. And as I say, it has 4 doors. You open the door and you have room for 4 people. Very impressive, very unique, and it is a Porsche. That is very important because you are carrying the legacy of Porsche. Also very important, you know, all luxury sedans are known because of luxury, but are very few that are luxury and sport combined together. In this case, we have vacuum doors on this Porsche Panamera, which means if you close the door slightly, it will do the rest itself. So that way you don't have to worry that your kids are going to slam the doors and it's gonna hurt you know, because I feel the same way when someone does that to my car. So, and it is not just for the rear doors, also it's for the driver doors as well and the passenger doors, because Porsche thinks about how expensive this car is, so they wanna do what it takes to protect your investment. Inside the cab of the Porsche Panamera Turbo S. It is not that different of the regular Panamera, but it is beautiful, right? Because this is the new updated design, the new model of the Panamera. Everything is different. That's right, we have this all black contrast over here. As you can see, it looks all black because this is the way Porsche is doing their new designs. It doesn't matter if it's a 911 or a Panamera. In this case, we have the Sport Chronos, which means then you have this little switch over here. Then it's going to allow you to change the dynamics of the car, and you're gonna have the little watch over here, the stopwatch, multi-purpose stopwatch over here. That is going to give you the lap timing and everything else, because this car is meant to go to the track. That's right, it's the highest trim level, the Porsche Panamera Turbo S with the 677 horsepower. That way you can track your timing on the laps, or if you want to do 0 to 60 or anything else, you can use that as well. In this case, if you look at the interior, it looks very, very Porsche. They don't change the way they do the interior. It is more technologic-wise in this case, but the dashboard and everything inside, it looks pretty similar as you are looking to an i11, because they like to keep that design. And I like it because, you know, if you have a Porsche, you can easily recognize, everybody can easily recognize you, then you own a Porsche, because it's a very unique design. As a luxury car, it is there. It is not like super luxury like other competitors, like Rolls-Royce, like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, but you get what you pay. In this case, you are not paying for luxury only. You are paying for performance as well. So if you are just looking for luxury, definitely this car is not worth your investment, right? But if you're looking for a sport and luxury, this is the car that it's going to be. Because if you want luxury only, you can buy the regular Panamera and will be more than enough luxury. But the regular Panamera doesn't have 677 horsepower, and this one does. So that's something you have to keep in mind, because many of you are looking for cars, and this car is very special. And not only because it's a Porsche, it's because it is a combination between sport orientation and luxury orientation. It's right in between. We have here the V8. Oh man, this is a big engine, 4.0 hybrid, which is pretty impressive, twin turbo. Amazing engine. If you look at it, you don't even see anything special about this engine, because you cannot see the engine itself because it's all covered with everything. But nevertheless, it looks beautiful, right? This is what produces this much horsepower. And I wish I can take this cap off to review more of it, but I don't want to break it, and I want to leave it the way it is, because this is a brand new car. And this is a do, then you're gonna do it if you buy this car brand new. Yes, amazing, right? If you're looking for a Porsche and are looking for the Porsche, the perfect Porsche that fits to your family, but you are not looking to buy a sedan, a SUV, this will be the perfect option. Especially if you're looking for performance, luxury, and family friendly. This car combines all together, and it will be the perfect option for you. If you come over here to Porsche of Riverside, make sure to contact Sherman Sims. He will be the person they wanna give you the best deal possible on this Porsche or any other Porsches they have for sale here in the amazing Porsche of Riverside. Just be sure to ask for Sherman Sims as soon as you get here, or if you call them, make sure to ask for Sherman Sims. In the description below, it will be the information so you can contact him directly if you want. He's gonna give you the best deal possible, and you know, he's always ready to help. Be sure to, you know, check this Panamera. I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed if you check it out. It's an amazing vehicle. If you like the video, make sure to give thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. You know, we're always trying to do diverted content for everybody. You know, like trying to go to the community, support local businesses, and support our community car enthusiasts as well. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video coming soon, and thank you for watching.